Where does it all go? If you live in the metropolitan Denver area, the water you use for your daily activities likely comes to one of our two treatment facilities. Metro Water Recovery treats wastewater from residential, commercial, and industrial users, and yes, that includes water from toilets, sinks, and showers.
That wastewater is then conveyed through large pipelines to Metro Water Recovery's treatment facilities, where it is cleaned to high-quality effluent before being discharged into the South Platte River.
That was Chief Operating Officer Liam Kavanaugh. Metro cleans about 130 million gallons of wastewater per day between our two facilities. Our largest is located in Denver. We also have a satellite facility in Brighton. The water we receive is primarily from residential homes, with the percentage coming from businesses and an even smaller percentage coming from industrial users.
The water that we receive from homes and businesses tends to be very standardized in terms of the quality of the wastewater and the constituents within that wastewater, primarily comprised of carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus pollutants, whereas the water coming from industries is variable based on the industry and what the purpose of the industry is and the byproducts of that industrial operation.
Metro administers pretreatment regulations to ensure the wastewater generated by industries is treated properly. Many industries must pre-treat wastewater before sending it to the sewer. As for treatment, once the dirty water arrives at our facilities, the full process takes about 12 to 16 hours, depending upon the time of day.
There are multiple steps involved with that treatment process, including the removal of trash and grit, as well as biological removal of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and other constituents, followed by disinfection processes that remove pathogens from the wastewater.
Some chemicals are also used as part of the process.
Some of these chemicals remove organic constituents as well as nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, and some of the chemicals remove more sulfur-based constituents to protect air quality as well as water quality.
The water that is released to the South Platte River meets permit requirements established by the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment. The requirements protect the environment, aquatic life, and the health of downstream users. Metro takes this responsibility very seriously because our effluent is about 85% of the river 9 or more months out of the year. Metro has a water quality group that monitors the health of the South Platte River from our facility's outfalls all the way to the Nebraska border.